Do you want to know how to get the best experience of meditation? If yes, I invite you to watch this video completely till the end. In this video, I'm going to be letting you know the 6 meditation mistakes to avoid so that you can maximize your meditation experience. Amazing, right? Watch this video completely till the end. Namaste, this is Sachin Habar, founder of Self Healers Hub, on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals live a healthier, happier, and a more energetic life by fixing their gut health using the principles of Ayurveda. And today's topic, ladies and gentlemen, is 6 meditation mistakes to avoid. Are you excited? Just type ready to begin. Just type RTB in the comment box. Just type RTB, ready to begin, in the comment box. Just type it in the comments and let's begin today's topic. All right. First one is meditation is not something to do, it should happen automatically. You see, after meditating over 3 years now, able to understand that when body and mind are in one place, meditation happens. If you try to do meditation, you will be disappointed. You see, you will be disappointed if you try to do meditation. You need to understand, you need to keep body and mind at one place to actually let meditation happen. For example, sometimes in test cricket, you would have seen a batsman really concentrating so well and defending that ball nicely. Yes, many commentators say he is meditating on the field. And sometimes you would have seen your colleagues immersed in the work those so that even though you call them, they don't hear you. So immersed in the work, that is meditation in its natural flow. So meditation is not something to do. Okay, meditation is not something to do, it happens automatically. Okay, I hope that is clear. Just type clear in the comment box. Just type one clear. Just type one clear in the comment box so that I know you understood the first point. Meditation is not something you need to do, it happens by keeping body and mind at one place. Which brings me to the second point, focus on one. You see, you need to focus on one thing. What can it be? It can be breath, it can be music, or it can be your thought also. It can be breath, it can be your music, it can be your thoughts, or also you can, look, hear the sounds around you. That also is fine. You can focus on one sound. The problem is we think we should be in a very silent place, we should be aloof from the world. What happens is when you put these limiting constraints to do meditation, when you don't get those conditions, you will not do it. Just type boom in the comments if you got a boom. Just type boom in the comments if you got a boom. Because if you don't get those conditions which is lay for meditation, like I need to have a very silent room, I need to be in this space. If you keep on telling that, you will never find that condition and you will never do it. So focus on one. Focus on breath. Focus on music. Focus on thoughts, or focus on some sound which you like. Yes, and that will help you enhance your meditation experience. Amazing, right? Amazing. Yes. Just type point two clear in the comment. Just type point two clear. Just type P2 clear in the comments. Just type P2 clear. Okay. Now I want to share with you one of the biggest mistake many do in meditation. And even I was doing this, and very recently, like 2-3 months ago, I came across this concept, and I strongly believe that you also need to know this. Are you ready for that? Just type reveal it in the comments. Okay, just type reveal it. Thoughts are not your enemy. Thoughts are not your enemy. You think that if I'm getting a lot of thoughts, I'm not meditating. No, you're wrong. You see, when you're closing your eyes like this and thoughts are coming, mind is designed to think. Mind is designed to think. Thoughts will not go away. It will come. It has to come. That is mind's job. What is your job? focusing on one. Your job is to focus on one, not think thoughts are your enemy. You say, I'm getting a lot of thoughts, I'm leaving. No, 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 no. Don't do that. When you get a lot of thoughts and you feel like quitting, you need to focus back on the one. That's it. You can use a mantra, you can use a word also like one. You can do anything like that. And close your eyes like that, close your eyes. And when you see that a lot of thoughts are coming, you can just in your mind say one, or you can say ek. You can chant some mantra, which will make you draw back and get your concentration back. Get your concentration back there on that one. Or you can start focusing on your breath slowly. When you do that, you'll understand thoughts are not your enemy. Thoughts are just getting released from your brain. Those are like stress released. Stress is just getting released. Those thoughts are being holded down in your brain and just getting released. Just type TR, thought released, in the comments. Just type TR, thought released, in the comments. Just put it down in the comments. Thought released. Yes. I hope that is clear. So thoughts are not your enemy. Okay. Understand that and do meditation. You think thoughts only not should be there, I should be blank. Not possible. Because mind is designed to think. So you will get the thoughts. But how to make sure that you're able to focus is focus on one: breath, music, sound, thought. You can do anything like this. Focus on one, and understand that thoughts are not your enemy. Amazing. Yes, getting some good value here. Just type GV, good value. Just type GV, good value, in the comments. Okay, just type GV. So understand that thoughts are not your enemy and focus on one. So next, let's move to the next one. Many of us are not consistent in meditation because we don't have a strong why. For all the bad things or the negative things or the time pass things, you have a strong why, because we will have fun, we will do it. Correct? But why not meditation, which will give you the energy to do all the activities of your day? Why not you do it consistently? For this, you need to introspect and understand why you need to do meditation. Why is that you need? Think of it like it will help you in managing your stress. It will help you get that energy so that you can go through the day with activities. And I have been meditating now closely for 3 years, and I get that energy to complete all the activities of the day easily, because I'm sitting in meditation doing it in a correct way, not quitting, not having high expectations out of it. Yes, many of us have high expectations, right? I'm really covering the next point in that. So first and foremost, have a strong why, ladies and gentlemen, to do meditation. Just you will do 1 or 2 days just because of a fancy trend it's happening, and you will stop. Don't do that, please. Meditation should become part of your life. Like, at least start with 5 minutes, move to 10, then 15, 20. Don't have 20 minutes at first and not able to do 20 minutes and then you leave it. Don't do this mistake. Okay, have a strong why and do it consistently. Okay, so let's just recap what we have done until here. Okay, meditation is not something what you do. Meditation or dhyana is something which happens when body and mind is in one place. Okay, first point. Second, focus on one thing. That is, can be your thought, it can be your breath, it can be music, or it can be surrounding sound. Focus on that. First and foremost, when you're sitting for meditation, close your eyes and just observe the present moment. You see, the joy of meditation is observing the present moment. So you see, just close your eyes and just observe. I'll tell you in the simple term. Just close your eyes right now. If you're watching the video, just observe the sound of me speaking, or it can be the mixer going on in the kitchen, or it can be the TV is going on, what is happening in the TV. Just observe and enjoy the present moment right now. That will make you focus on one. That will make you accept the situation as it is, and it will make you enjoy your meditation more. Third, you have to understand thoughts are not your enemy. Thoughts are just stress getting released from the mind when you're meditating. So if you see a lot of thoughts, then bring your focus slowly back on one. That is your breath or music, anything. Just bring it back to that one, or just say one in your mind. Just say one, or ek, or say some mantra which brings your attention back. That's it. You cannot stop thinking. Thinking will happen, thoughts will come. So just think of that and do it like this. Okay. Then fourth I said is have a strong why. Have a strong why so that you do it consistently. So now I'll give you a trick, a hack to do consistent meditation. Do you want the trick? Hack, just type hack in the comments. Just type hack in the comments if you want that. Just type hack in the comments. It's called same time and place. Choose one time in the day and choose a place. That's it. Don't have stringent rules. Choose a time, choose a place, and perform meditation or sit in that place daily and close your eyes. Nothing will happen. 2 days, nothing will happen. 3 days, nothing will happen. 4 days, nothing will happen. Fifth, sixth day, you will see the traffic of thoughts reducing. I'm sitting on this chair. Next to this chair, I have one more small chair where I do meditation daily. I sit there, or sometimes sit on the ground, remove the chair and sit on the ground and do meditation daily. Okay? I do that. And that's what it is. When you train your mind that this time, this place, I'm doing meditation, you will understand and your mind will understand actually. So let's see. Yes, mind will understand. Charulata wants to meditate. It will start reducing its traffic of thoughts. When you sit in your meditation place, time and place same, you need to have that same consistency, and you see the magic that happens. Try this for 1 month and you will see that surely you will have amazing experience with your meditation, because I have been doing this for 3 years now and I understand the power of that. That's why I'm telling you personally that do this and see the magic that happens. Just type WD, will do. So sit in the same time and same place and close your eyes. Just type WD, will do in the comments. Okay. And this is how you can achieve consistency in meditation. This is how you can achieve amazing result with meditation when you do it consistently. And that's possible only when you do it in the same time and same place. Okay. Finally, enjoy the disturbances. Enjoy the disturbances and do not have high expectations. You have a lot of high expectations. Don't have too much of high expectations. When I close my eyes, I'll float into heaven. All these high expectations are being set to you with meditation, saying when you close your eyes, you will float into heaven. When you close your eyes, you will float into that. Okay. Don't fall into that category, ladies and gentlemen. Don't fall into that. Enjoy the disturbances, enjoy the process, enjoy the journey of finding yourself, enjoy the journey of focusing on your thought, focusing on one thing. Enjoy the journey instead of having high expectations, saying I'll go into nirvana, I'll go into transcendence. All these are high expectations being set. When you have the expectation too high, you are actually starting to run without learning to walk. I repeat, you're starting to run without learning to walk. First you learn to walk, then you can run. Correct or not? The child first learns to walk, then runs. You want high expectation. एक बार meditation में बैठ गया, मेरा stress पूरा चला जाना चाहिए. My stress should go away. Everything should go away in one sitting of meditation. Not possible. Don't have high expectations and enjoy the disturbances. All right. Just type 5, 6 clear. Just type 5, 6 clear in the comment so that I know that you have watched till the end. Just type 5, 6 clear in the comment. Just type 5, 6. Okay. So let's understand. Again, just revise it. Okay. Let's revise it quickly. Meditation not something you do. It happens when the body and mind is in one place. Focus on one during your meditation, either music, breath, thought, or the sound. Third, very important. Thoughts are not your enemy. Thoughts are not at all your enemy. Remove that from your mind. Mind is designed to think. So you will get thoughts during the meditation. But when you get a lot of thoughts, bring back your focus on the one. Just say one in your mind, or just say a mantra in your mind, or just start focusing on your breath. Thoughts are not your enemy. Thoughts are a way saying meditation is working. The stress is getting released in form of thoughts. In form of thoughts, the stress is getting released. That's it. Okay. Next, have a strong why. Why do you want to meditate? Have it. Is it do you want to reduce stress? Is it because you want to give that amazing feeling to your body? Is it because you want amazing energy in your day-to-day life? What is it for you want to do meditation? Put that down in the comments if you want, okay? Why you want to meditate? Put that down in the comments if you want, or just go to a notebook and write it and why you want to meditate. Then fix a time slot, fix a place in your home to do meditation. To do meditation, I mean to say sitting at the same time and place to achieve that consistency and to train your mind to actually reduce the traffic of thoughts at that time and that place. Amazing, right? Amazing, right? So that's why you see in our cultures everywhere you have that puja room. Yes, the puja room is a place where everyone goes and sits daily and does the puja. So that trains the mind to reduce the traffic of thoughts. Amazing, right? Yes, just type amazing in the comments. And finally, enjoy the disturbances and do not have high expectations. Enjoy the disturbances and do not have high expectations of meditations. The problem, if you set it too high, you will feel demotivated and you will not be consistent. Do it consistently and improve your expectations. Okay. Learn to walk before you run. Okay. Learn to walk before you run. All right. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comments below. Thank you, Charlotta. Charlotta is saying 5, 6 is clear. Yes, Charlotta is saying will do. Amazing, amazing. Thank you, Charlotta. Charlotta is saying 5, 6 clear. Amazing, amazing. Thank you, Charlotta. Charlotta is saying amazing. Thank you for commenting out here. So if you have any questions, I'm here for 1 or 2 more minutes to ask any questions about meditation. What you feel, if you feel difficult to meditate, just put it in the comments. Just put in the comments and I'll answer you. Just put it in the comments. Okay. I'll just wait for 1 or 2 more minutes. If you have any questions about meditation, put it down in the comments. Put it down in the comments. I'm ready to answer your questions. Yes. Just put it down. You wait for 1 minute. People who are attending live, you can put down your questions if you want, and I can answer them. If you have any questions about meditation, you can put it. Okay. All right. That's okay. If you don't have any questions and you're completely clear, just type CC, crystal clear in the comments. Just type CC in the comments, crystal clear. Okay. Just type crystal clear in the comments. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, finally, if you really love this content, right, I would like you to join my Facebook group, bit.ly/selfhealersvip. I repeat, it is bit.ly/selfhealersvip. I'll put it down the links for you in the comment. Join that group. Join that group, bit.ly/selfhealersvip, where I do polls and I give exclusive content for this VIP group. So you can join the VIP group, Self-Healers VIP, to engage in the polls and not miss any content of Self-Healers Hub. Okay. And if you really loved this video, right? If you loved this video, give me that love symbol, please. Give me that love symbol. Share it on your wall with people who are, struggling with meditation and not able to do meditation. Yes, not able to do meditation. Share it with them. Hit that love symbol. Comment your biggest takeaway in the comments below. And if you're watching this on Facebook, right? Follow me. Hit that see first button so that my content always comes in your feed and you're always not missing the Self-Healers Hub. Okay. And if you're watching this on my YouTube, hit that bell icon, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, this video. Okay. Subscribe to it. And I hope this video really helped you understand the mistakes you can avoid to get that amazing experience of meditation in your life. Meditation will help you reduce your stress and help you accelerate your gut health. All right. So I hope this tutorial really helped you. This is Sachin from Self-Healers Hub signing off for this video tutorial. Until we meet again, until then, be healthy, be happy, and be unique. All right. Bye-bye. Take care. Happy meditating.